Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to delete your Cash App account. Now before we start, make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open the app and then tap the profile icon on your Cash App home screen. Then simply select support and then select something else. What you're gonna have to do next is simply navigate to account settings and then simply select delete your personal information and then tap contact support. And basically you're gonna be able to delete your account by simply contacting the support team of Cash App. So basically that's all you have to do in order to delete your Cash App account. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.